With the WS6 MASTER, XP reinvents the way you'll pilot your metal detector. With a new shape, a new look, and a new way of consuming the best technology on the market, the DEUS II FMF technology. In this module, you have all the functions of the DEUS II. In this module, you access all the FMF technology, multi-frequency with fast recovery. Overall, with this package, you become the best on all terrains, the best on the beaches, in the fields, the forests. You'll be the best everywhere. It is tiny and strong. When I tell you that in this module you have all the functions of the DEUS II FMF, that means you have all the settings. The same 12 recorded factory programs with 12 customizable. All the settings offered by the module are available, such as discrimination, sensitivity, ground balance, iron volume, reactivity. In short, you can do everything. You also have all the expert modes, all the very best of what's in the FMF technology of the DEUS II. And cherry on the cake, this module provides you with free updates. I need to show you how awesome it is. Starting from the screen, 4 touchpads will allow you to pilot your entire device. Of course, the essential information when detecting is the target ID. So as this is the essential information, you can turn it into a giant size. There. 74. So you see? It's a terrific model. Equally amazing with this WS6 MASTER is that you have 3 ways of using it. First way is to use it with a wired headset. The WS6 has no speaker. You can plug in an audio clip that will allow you to connect it to every wired headphone type you like. And then you'll have 2 ways to use it, either with the WS6 on the stem or alternatively on your wrist. If this wired headphone option is what you're interested in, I recommend you use the wristband setup, but it's an option. What's great with the wristband is that the cord won't bother. And there, you see, the wire hanging near your head isn't ideal. However, with the wristband, no trouble. The cord can pass through your sleeve. So here, you're in the WS6 MASTER configuration with the wired headset. And as you can see, detecting with headphones is not the most practical. So another way is to purchase the wristband, which is optional. But here, for instance, it's really cool. You simply unclip the module, like that, and then you insert it into your wristband. Once you've installed your wristband, all you need to do is pass the headset wire through your sleeve. Then hook it up. There. It's really great. You're on to detecting. When you hear a sound, look at your conductivity, adjust all your settings from there. This version is really a treat. The second configuration, in this case clearly the best, will be connecting one of the 2 headphones available to the WS6 module. You can use a WSA2, the small lightweight headphone with volume control, pairing it to your WS6 module master. Another possibility is to use the WSA2 XL, the big cup version, comfortable, noise-reducing, rain-proof headphone. That's an ideal configuration. You have your mini remote at hand and a fully wireless system, which makes detecting way more practical. Last configuration is simply setting the WS6 directly on the arch. You will fully control your device only by sound. With this setup, you have no display, an ideal choice for anyone who knows their detectors well and who won't need conductivity or visuals. That is an optimal configuration. Frankly, I love this WS6 MASTER configuration. I love its design, the lightness of the detector. It weighs less than 2 pounds, and that little capsule there is barely an ounce. We can once again enjoy amazing ergonomics, taking advantage of the best of the FMF DEUS II technology. With this, you will be on top everywhere and at low cost. Looking for a top-end powerful detector at low cost today? No hesitation. I recommend the DEUS II WS6 MASTER. See you soon.